You have to put what first? Egg.
This is all I said. 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, powder.
I can't believe I'm instructing you. I don't cook.
I want to put 2 eggs.
No, you're gonna have to add more milk.
See, 1 egg, 1 egg. So butter?
No butter. No butter?
Let's put pancake mix. It's not good. That's so ugly. Yeah, so hot. Carrot, come here. Carrot, this looks really disgusting.
Really?
Yeah, it's bubbling. What the hell? It's disgusting. Like yeah, that's what bubbles look like. Really? Yeah. It's disgusting. Yeah.
Yeah. I have a goosebump. Look.
Carrot, try.
Why me? Why am I the experiment?